Friends, welcome to lecture 8, Introduction to Partnership, only at Sumati Education, SumEdu. Today it would be our last session of this contentive part called Introduction to Partnership. Okay, please friends, do write one question in your notebook. Okay, John, Johnny and Janardhan. Okay, so friends, John, Johnny and Janardhan sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1:1. Their total capital is rupees 6 lakhs, which is in profit loss sharing ratio. Johnny gets rupees 65,000 including Johnny gets rupees 65,000 including interest on capital at 10%. What amount John will receive, or John and Janardhan will receive, including capital. So friends, John, Johnny, Janardhan sharing profit and loss in 2:1:1. Their total capital is 6 lakhs, which is in, alright, profit and loss sharing ratio. Johnny gets 65,000 including interest on capital at 10%. What amount John and Janardhan will receive including capital? Sometimes by reading it becomes not clear what exactly the question is, but if you read one line by one line you will understand. First, what we will do, the calculative part. See, it's indeed very easy question. Particulars John, Johnny, Janardhan. First of all, we will find their capital, which is in 2:1:1 ratio. So what's the John's capital? 6 lakhs into 2/4. Yes. What's your answer by calculator? 3 lakhs. Okay. 6 lakhs into 1/4. 1,50,000 for Johnny and same for Janardhan. Okay. This is over. Now friends, Johnny gets rupees 65,000 including interest on capital. Yeah. So first we compute interest on capital at 10%. दोस्तों, सबका इंटरेस्ट कितना होगा? 3 lakhs 10%, 30,000, 1,50,000 10%, 15,000, and here also 15,000. Okay, what else they get from the firm? Obviously their share in profit. So the next topic, share in profit. Now that is not served, friends, okay, but total amount is given for total amount. So friends, very easy sum, total amount received by Jani, I am talking about Jani, is 65,000. So Jani's total is 65,000, yeah. Now friends, out of which 15,000 is what received? Interest on capital. 65,000 में से 15,000, 15,000 he received as interest on capital. So rest amount is 50,000. This we obtain. 50,000 he received as, come on, share of his profit. तो 50,000 जानी को मिला as 1/4, है ना, 1/4 शेयर इज 50,000. तो जनार्दन को कितना मिलेगा? उसका भी शेयर 1/4 है, तो जनार्दन विल गेट ऑल्सो 50,000. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द शेयर ऑफ जॉन? जॉन्स शेयर इज 2/4, मतलब 2/4 मतलब twice of 50,000. So he will receive 1 lakh rupees. Now the thing is clear. John will receive 30,000 as interest on capital, will receive 1 lakh as his share in profit. Total amount received by John is 1,30,000, and Janardhan will receive 65,000. This is over. Quite easy. So the sum by reading seems bit clumsy, bit complicated, but by doing becomes very easy. Okay, shall I give you one more to compute at home? Please do write. Jug, Jeevan and Jyot. Yes friends, Jug, Jeevan and Jyot are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. I repeat, Jug, Jyot and Jeevan are partners. Sorry, I think I first spoke Jug, Jeevan and Jyot, right? Jug, Jeevan and Jyot are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Fine friends, their capital, their total capital is rupees 7,50,000, which is in the ratio of 5:3:2. I repeat, their total capital is rupees 7,50,000, which is in the ratio of 5:3:2. Fine. Partner Jyot gets rupees 78,000. I repeat, partner Jyot gets 78,000 including interest on capital at the rate 12%, including interest on capital at the rate 12%. Compute the total amount received by remaining partners. Compute the total amount received by the remaining partners. Friends, do at home, and if you find any difficulty, any doubt, please do ask me on WhatsApp. Number is 98252 25666 from your account mate Kirit Karya, only at SumEdu. Correct friends? Now one more, this is the end of our entire topics that we have discussed from this contentive part called Introduction to Partnership. Now friends, here I am giving you one more sum bit spicy, but I hope you will love it. Okay, please do write one more sum which is really fantastic, and I would like to check how qualitative efforts you are pouring in. Do write the last homework sum from this session. Friends, do write A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C are partners of a firm. Correct? The profit loss sharing ratio of A and B is 2:1. I repeat, profit and loss sharing ratio of A and B is 2:1, while profit loss sharing ratio of B and C is 3:2. Profit loss sharing ratio of B and C is 3:2. If the profit of the firm is rupees 90,000, correct? If the profit of the firm is rupees 90,000, find the share of profit to each partner, the master stroke. Okay, just try at home, otherwise you can solve through our WhatsApp number that I have already shared with you. So friends, for this topic, which is called as Introduction to Partnership, the entire content part we have covered. I hope you all have liked, and keep liking as well as sharing our YouTube channel called SumEdu. I am your account mate Kirit Karya. Say bye bye. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, have a good luck.